Hello everyone, this is Chirosri Roy once again. Today we are going to start our lectures on class 11 zoology. I see most of the biology students loves to read physiology, but it's totally a concept based chapters. So our today's topic is going to be very interesting and all about our digestive system. So start. First, see, digestive system. After hearing the term digestion or digestive system, what comes to our mind? We just think digestion is all about eating food and digest the food, but it's not that much simple. It consists many steps, okay, through which the total process of digestion starts from our mouth and finish to our anus. Done. So, introduction. Our digestive system consists intake of food, that's called ingestion, breaking down of the food into macromolecules, digestion, absorptions of the food into the bloodstream, absorption, absorbed components becoming the part of the cells, assimilation and elimination of the undigested food, egestion. So what our digestive system consists? It starts through intake of food. That means whenever we are taking the food, that term is called ingestion. Then breaking down the food into micromolecules, that term is called digestion. That means whenever we are taking the food, through many various steps, you will learn it later. Many steps, we are just breaking down it into very small particles, okay, that's called micromolecules. This step, breaking down the food into particles, micromolecules, is called digestion. Then absorptions of the food, that means after breaking down the food into tiny particle, it's a time to absorb the food into the bloodstream. This step is called absorptions, and absorbed components becoming the part of the cells. And then after absorbing the food particles of micromolecules into bloodstream, it is a time to to become the components of the cells, and that is called assimilation. Then the last step, we know about it. What are the undigested particles? The undigested food particles then ejected through our excretory system, and which one is called egestion. Now, mainly our digestive system consists of two things. One is alimentary canal and one is digestive gland. Okay. Then the next page. Alimentary canal. The alimentary canal starts anteriorly with mouth and posteriorly through the anus. So where it starts anteriorly with mouth, and it opens out at last posteriorly through anus. Then the main steps, the pathway of alimentary canal through which the food is just going down. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The first step, you need to remind that this is the total process. Okay, you have to remember this one by one, not haphazardly. Sorry. Then here comes teeth. Basically, among the huge syllabus of digestive system, our main focus of today's topic is about the teeth. We can say teeth in three different terms. What are they? They are thecodont, heterodont and diphydont. Why the name is thecodont? Because our tooth is totally embedded in a socket of our jawbone. That's why this is called thecodont. Then heterodont. We have four different types of teeth. Hetero, that means different types. In our jaw, we have four different types of teeth. That's why it's called heterodont and diphyodont. The name di means two times. Human beings forms two sets of teeth. The first one in their childhood and the second one in their adulthood. One set is 20 in number, which one is temporary, and another set is 32 in number, which one is permanent. That's why this is called diphyodont. Next, see. This is the proper diagram of the four sets of teeth. Incisor, we can represent it through I. Canine, we can represent it through C. Premolar, PM and molar. Okay, these are all the steps. Then the key elements about the key topics, okay, about teeth. Arrangement of teeth in each half of our jaw is represented by a formula 2123 by 2123. Okay, means 2123 upon 2123 multiplied 2. It's a very important. Please, very sincerely remember the formula 2123 upon 2123. Minerals, salt like calcium and magnesium deposits on the teeth called the plaque. If it's not removed regularly, then it can cause gingivitis. So what is this? Minerals like calcium and magnesium deposits on the teeth of tartar or calculus called plaque. If we are not removing the plaque regularly, then it can cause gingivitis. Tooth help in our mastication of food. Okay. Then works of teeth. Four different teeth works differently. The incisor is a chisel like. It's help in cutting. Okay, chisel like cutting teeth means it helps in cutting the food particles. Canine, it's a dagger shaped. It's help in tearing, okay, the food. Then premolar. Premolar is usually used for grinding the food particles. Grinding. Molars for grinding and crushing both. So what are the works? Incisor for cutting, canine for tearing, premolar for grinding, and molars for both grinding and crushing. Then the concept based questions for you. What is the dental formula for kids? Okay, and then what is the most hard part of the teeth? These two. Try to do these questions, and if you can't, then don't worry, I will tell you the answers in the next video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections, and please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe my channel. And sorry for forgetting, this is a picture of your digestive system. See, from here it is starts and here it finish. Okay, I think you will understand it very properly in the next two sessions. And here is the dental formula. See, if you cut our jaw into this line, 1 minute, yeah, sorry, this line, this is one portion of our jaw and this is another portion. Okay, so these two is incisor, this one is canine, these two is premolar, these three is a molar. That's why 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, total 32 in case of adult. Okay, so thank you. I think you understand the topics very well, and if not, if there are any question, don't forget to comment. Bye bye.